Welcome you once again to the continuation of our lesson. So yesterday we look at the master sheet and we were able to do the linking. So we are done for now. Before that, you see there's a 0 values over there. You should not worry about it. It should be there. Let's go to file and you go to more details and go to options. Then you go to advanced. Then you scroll down. And you deselect this. No, not this. You come down and it say deselect the show as 0 and cell that has 0 value. So deselect it and click on OK. So let's work on the report. You want to work on the report. Okay, the reports will be in 2 folds. We'll design one on Excel, and then the second one will be done on Microsoft Word. I will not take you through how I did it in Microsoft Word, because if I want to do that, it will take a lot of time, and I want us to complete this lesson as quick as possible. Okay, so I will send a template and then we'll do the linking. Okay, and we're going to link it to Word. So without wasting my time, let's proceed. So as usual 7 to 8 7 to 8 we will give it our favorite color. Okay, we'll give it our favorite color. So I'll prefer this color. Okay, so from there, what will we do? Let's come to 16. Let's come to 16. D. 16 on D. We'll merge it to G. You merge it to G. And we'll just write there, give it this color, and we just write the learners terminal report. It should be in a less format, or it should be in Times New Roman. Okay, and we'll bold it. Okay, we'll not bold it. Okay, select this. Now we can bold this one. We write learners terminal report. Yeah, you are free to do what you think will be good. Okay, the school logo will be here. I'll also the school logo will be here. I'll put some icons over here for now, but for now I don't have those icons with me, so I'll select it to I, and I'll give it this color. It will contain some details. Okay, so let's go and copy this our school logo. We'll just put it here. Okay, our school logo. Now let's come to on the 18th. On the 18th, we can do something. Let's get rid of the first this thing. Let's get rid of it. Okay, now let's reduce the size of this. Then let's increase the size of C, because okay, so here on 18th we'll have name of learner. So name, we'll have name of learner. Name of learner. Okay, so we have the gender. These are the details that we will put on the form. Okay, we'll have form or class. Form or class, you have position in class. That's the overall position in class. We will have learner's average mark. Learner's average mark. Then we'll have next term begin. Next term begins. Okay, so let's merge the whole of the year. Okay, that will contain. So here we'll select it and we'll bold it. Okay, let me go for the normal font. Okay, then let me increase it to 12. So let me select all and give it the normal font. So I'll make it 12. Okay, so we will have, we'll come to F. We have number or rule. Number, on rule. Then we have academic year. We have term. Then we will have promoted to. I believe that's all that we need. If you think you want to add other things, it's allowed. Okay, you can do that. You can. So I'll match the two. I'll select my hand will be on the control key. I'll select this one, and I'll match at a go. Select all of them. Select that I go. I want it to be center. It should be center, it should be left align, and then I'll bold it. And so that's all for this ones. Now on the 24, we'll come to 25, where we have here to be the serial number. Then we'll have the subjects. The subject will have the class score 50%. And we have exam score 50%. We have total score. Which is 100%. They will have their grade and then their remark, and then position in class or position subject. So that's it. We'll select the whole of this and we bold it. Okay, we bold it and give it a 12. We'll use test wrap test. Okay, for this one we need to adjust it a little bit. Let's adjust this one. So you select it, select all, and you put it at the center. Okay, with this is all good. So you have 1 2 1 2. First we have English language. So English language, then mathematics, then we have science. You can write integrated science. Social studies. Social studies, creative art. career technology. We have computing. We have RME. Then we have Ghanaian language. Lastly, French. Sorry if it's like I paused the video without not knowing, so sorry. So I did the whole of this. Okay, I link it. Okay, this is what I did. I bring the equal to sign and I went to the learners bill and locate this. Okay, after I've done that, I just drag and dropped, then I formatted this. Okay, so great interpretation. So this will be at the middle. Okay, this will have, I'll reduce the size to 8. I'll bold it. Now I'll have the first one, 9200, 9200, 9200. I'll have 1. That is what highest. Then command 80, 82, 87. Okay, 89. I'll have 2 and it will be higher, and I'll close the bracket, comma 70 to 79. I'll have 3 column and to be high, and bring the comma, have 60 to 69 to be high average. That is 4. Fifty to 59. If you think my grading system is not the best one, you can do your thing. Okay, I'm not. Then we have average. We have average, comma, from 40 to 49. We have 6. That is low average. Then 30 to 39, which is 7. That is low. Then we have 20. I don't know if what I'm using is correct. 22, 29 is 8. That is lower. So don't worry, I'll search for the grading system and see and put it on the platform. Or if anyone come across it, you just put it on the platform for us to all look at it very well. Okay, without much said and done, so I will select this one and I will not bold it. Okay, I will not bold it. Okay, this is too small. Let me select a different font size, which is called Canberra. Yeah, this one. Canberra has a very good. Let me put at the middle. So this all. Now we want to add a little bit of formatting to it. Okay, a little bit of touch. First of all, I'll select it. So you can add your formatting. Okay. So, by the way, we are not going to print it, so we are going to use it to view our report. The printing will be done in Microsoft Word. Okay, the printing will be done in Microsoft Word. So I've shown you how to do that. So just click on it to disappear the line breaks. So let's add some formatting to it. Okay, so that at least it will look nice. So let's go to more borders. Let me go to more borders. Okay, I prefer this one. So for now I'll do it like that. Okay, I will not do it to the school fees and co. I don't think it's needed, right? But if you think it's needed, you can do that. I don't have problem with that. Okay. So let's see this place. We'll give it this color, this one, this Okay. So let's come back to, let's work on this one. Let's work on this one. Let's work on this one. Up to here. So we go to more borders, and we go to more borders, and we select this one, and we do okay. I believe it's okay now. Okay. Emergent center, and I'll put it at the right. Okay. I'll just merge this one, and it should be at the left. That's all. So now we will start small. I will not start also. Now we want to use this option when you select the student and we change their names, then we can see that their details are being updated. Okay, so we go to data validation. Okay, so we go to data validation, and we go to list. Then the source will be from the source. We can use the master sheet as a source. Okay, the source to the last student. So after that, you click on this, then you can keep you can message the notice. Select the name. Select the name from the list. Okay, select the name from the list. So if you click here, because let's use the distance radar. You see, I don't like the 00s appearing here, so let's use let's delete everything here, and let's use the learners registration. So let's use this one. Okay, so we have only 2 students, so let's format it. Okay, now the gender will do that. The class is fixed. Some of the values are fixed. Okay, those that are fixed, we work on it, and those that will be changing in our next lesson, we'll look at them. Okay, So things like class, gender will change. We'll use what is called the index match formula. The index match formula. So let's work on. Then we have the class. The class will appear on the general information. And the class should be locked, should make as a reference, So the academic year also will be like that. Then the term also likewise. So this all. Now let's format this. It should be to the left. And let's format this. It's also to be left. So we'll stop here and we'll continue in our next lesson. Thank you. Make sure you save your work. See you in class soon. Thank you.